I saw one Yariba pastor talking about the Igbos. That Igbos can never rule this country. They are the problem of the country. Only beribe. Only nsusu na-enwere homa. How are the Igbos the problem of the country? Never can a mmadụ. There are dying Christians everywhere in the north. You cannot speak about that. If you want trend, you talk about anybody want trend, you talk about Igbo. Only nsusu. Also, he said that anybody can curse you, right? You want to go, Apamu Kibo, Igbo Apamu. Anyway, look that now always some answers, some language, some words I cannot use here. If not, Nigya Woto. Only beribe. Apamu Kibo Wadi. Now so now they do, You are not even a man of God. Who are you? You are not a man of God. I pity those who are listening to you, calling you pastor. Who are you pastoring? You know, in where sense, in where I come with you. In what sense? If say I never touched you, that's why you can marry. There are people everywhere. You cannot talk about it. You say that Obasanjo is talking about Igbos, fighting for who is fighting for who? And if they check your history, if you know all the women in your church, you sleep with them, even the kids. Mako, that's how you people renew your vows. Evil men. Men of God. Yariba will always be Yariba. And in fact, I thank God I know this word. Can't a one place will cover the truth and be talking shit, whereby others are raising their voice, talking about what is happening, trying to invite the people from overseas to see what is happening. Your own is that you will tribalism nisi. Now, who are the able man of God? I don't know Hausa language, but Ubanka Yamutu. I don't know the meaning, but I'm not cause. It's literally you will receive it. Ololi Bruku. I don't know the meaning also, but any course because you're not an elder. If you stand before me, I go slap, I go wound you. Why? Because we and you are mates. Why? So many things are happening. Okay, people don't leave the country. Make una way they govern. Make una govern. Make the country to be better. No, it's going down every day. Yet you are complaining. If you want trend, you bring Igbos. You begin to talk about them. Igbos this one, because you want trend. Who know you? Only beribe. And some people will come and say, touch not my another. Nobody anointed that man. Nobody does. Nobody did. Now, if the oil don't come out, they tie the person. That's how it happens. Most of you that are wearing as men of God. I'm a man of God. I'm a man of God. Yes. I'm an ex-seminarian. Open and continue. By now, Otego Limbu priest. So I don't touch not my anointed. As a Christian that is baptized, you are a priest, you are a king, and you're a prophet. These three. Onye paskọrọ m iwe Igbo amaka o. Ịkpa ha na ndị Igbo aka ịkpago m aka. O nwere ife ndị Igbo mere unu onye ọbụla gbaa na line ya o.